Today, me and Hood are at. Oh, look at the pitch. Me and Hood are at Aurora at our school. We're going to be taking a quick little flight, going to Hinckley, do some soft field landings. Hood's got his license, so he's going to be flying. I'll fly with him, and we'll just go ahead and show you guys some good landings, show you guys the school that we're going to be going to. He's already got his license, has been going to this school. I got my license, I haven't got my license. I got my student license. I'm going to be going to school here to get my PPL. He's going to be getting his instrument rating, and I'm going to be trying to document as much as I can of my training, and then I'll post it up on YouTube for you guys. We're flying the Remos today. It's the Remos GX, so I'll let Hood introduce himself. This is the start of our channel and where we're at. Aurora Municipal Airport at Freedom Flying Company. We share the hangar with Gambit Aviation. They got a lot of cool planes that we'll be showing off in there too. Maybe we'll get a couple flights in with them. There's a lot of other airports, or a lot of other hangars here and air services here, like Chicago Jet Group, Rev Aviation. Is it Rev Aviation?
Oh yeah, it's Rev Aviation.
Rev Aviation, that's also Gambit's Texan. Those are usually planes that are being worked on or not flyable. But yep, there's Tower. We got JA Air Center over there too. That's also a pretty popular school. And yep.
Hey guys, I'm Dahoud. I go by Hood. I'm a private pilot as of June 6th. Been going to get my license for the past 2 years, and I finally got it. And now I'm gonna go back to school and get my instrument rating. Today we're gonna be flying the Remos GX, like Morgan said. We're gonna go up, do a couple laps around the airport, go to a different airport for soft field landings, and take a couple videos of us slipping down into the runway. I hope you guys enjoy this content, and you know, follow and subscribe. And if there's anything that you guys want to see, or any comments that you guys want to, you know, address or whatever, you guys leave a comment and just let us know what you guys think.
Well, that's how you move an airplane.
Full flight controls. Everything's clean. Altimeter's been set. Takeoff briefing. If we have an engine failure on the ground, we're going to abort it. If we do anything below 1,000 AGL, we're going to try to just land straight ahead or go more left, 30 degrees left or 30 degrees right. Anything above 1,000 AGL, we're going to try to turn back to the runway. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, we're going to obtain taxi clearance from ATC.
I can hear you.
Oh, ground Remos 173, Papa Mike at East Ramp, looking for southwest departure. We have Foxtrot. Remos 173, Papa Mike, road ground, runway 9er, taxi Alpha, cross runway 36, Foxtrot, runway 33.
Ground, this is Skyhawk 3199 Victor at Skyhaven with Foxtrot. We'd like VFR departure to the north, please.
Remos 3, Papa Mike, did you copy your taxi instructions? I did. I was waiting for that person to finish. We're runway 9 Alpha, cross 36, hold 33, 173, Papa Mike. Thank you. November 99 Victor, road ground, runway 9er, taxi Alpha, cross runway 36, hold short, runway 33.
Taxi via Alpha, cross 36 and hold short 3399 Victor, thank you.
Alright, we're going to cross 36 now. Got to check both sides of the runway to make sure there's no emergency traffic or no traffic in general, because 36 is actually a closed runway. But they probably, I think they're trying to open it up. Open it back up, I should say, in the winter, but we'll see.
Remos 3 Papa Mike, cross from like 33.
33173 Papa Mike. Alright, let me check both sides of the runway here. Make sure nobody is on final for both sides.
Cessna 180, previous drive, it's 9 to 10 o'clock, 3 miles, northwest bound, 2,600 feet indicated, type unknown.
So that's what I did.
Remos 3 Papa Mike, right turn southwest approved, runway 9 clear for takeoff.
Here's the takeoff, runway 9173 Papa Mike.
Traffic at 180.
Cessna 180, roger. And Cessna 180, frequency change approved, have a good one.
Thank you, have a good one. 180.
Cessna 2 Kilo Juliet, left turn north, your discretion.
Left turn to north of my discretion, 172 Kilo Juliet. This is 173 Papa Mike, we have the right turn.
Remos 3 Papa Mike, affirmative.
Thank you.
There is 6 miles to the southwest of our landing with
74 Luna Sierra Tower. Enter right base, runway 9, report 4 out, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, 3,100 feet indicated, Cessna.
So looking for traffic and right base for 9, 74 Luna.
North Luna Sierra, disregard. Cessna 180, traffic ahead and to your left and a mile northeastbound, 3,100 feet indicated pits.
Traffic at site 180.
Roger.
Traffic at site for 74 Luna.
North Luna Sierra, roger.
Alright, so Hood just dropped me off. We're going to be recording some landings today. I got the Unicom set up. Oh, we're on the wrong frequency. Yeah, we should be. Why does it keep going back? Finally got this thing to work now. We can hear him. That's it right up there. Alright guys, so we're going to be recording some landings.
Hinckley traffic, Remos 173, Papa Mike on follow for 9er Hinckley traffic.
That was Hood right there. 173 Papa Mike, so we're going to be doing a touch and go right here. Look at that, full slip. Look at that freaking slip. Nice. So smooth. Back up.
Hinckley traffic, Remos 173, Papa Mike, left crosswind to the runway 9er Hinckley traffic.
There it is, 173 Papa Mike. I'm gonna go ahead and run down here so I can get the landing really, really close. We gotta run, guys.
Hinckley traffic, Remos 173, Papa Mike, left downwind to the runway 9er Hinckley traffic.
He probably touched down like somewhere around, right around here compared to last time. Freaking throw up, guys. Look at that freaking view.
Hinckley traffic, Remos 173, Papa Mike, turning final for runway 9er Hinckley traffic.
Another slip. He must be turning around, coming back to get me. I don't know if he knows I ran all the way down here. He's got a motor, I'll let him come to me. What a beautiful day, guys, at Hinckley. Got a gorgeous sunset coming in. Great grass strip. Auroras are all the way down there. And 173 Papa Mike. Mr. Dahoud. What a gorgeous aircraft.
That was a good video.
Yeah.
Cessna 33 uniform, turn right Charlie, taxi to parking via Alpha, monitor ground point 7, have a good one.
Turn right on Charlie, left on Alpha, back to parking, monitor ground, 334,
Cessna 650, number 2, following Remos, 1 mile final, report in sight.
We're looking for the traffic 650.
Lead off some airspeed, and drop the flaps. For 650.
Cessna 650, traffic you're following is full stop, runway 9er, number 2, clear touch and go.
Runway 9er, number 2, clear to touch and go, follow that traffic 650.
Remos 3, Papa Mike, turn right, runway 15.
Lead on 15, 173, Papa Mike. Hotel, we're Cessna 7317009, southwest and down 45, Papa Mike.
Cessna 73170, Aurora Tower, enter right base, runway 9, report 4 out.
Right base for 9, report 4 out, 110.
Remos 3, Papa Mike, taxi to parking via runway 15, Papa, cross runway 36, monitor ground point 7.
15 to Papa, cross 36, monitor ground, parking 173, Papa Mike. Roger, RJ 17 Delta 4 out, so left down on runway 9er.
Roger 17 Delta, continue, I'll have a sequence for you momentarily.
Continue and taking 217 Delta.
November 19 Foxtrot.